So here we have the Nissan Qashqai automatic on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle you can see the total miles of the car, which are 28,390. Above that we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there for various bits of trip computer, car and fuel economy information by using buttons on the steering wheel. The buttons in question are over here. We have stereo controls surrounding that. On the right hand side we have cruise control and the speed limiter, along with phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after such time as you pair the phone up to the car, and that is done over on the touchscreen in the center just here. So you can use the icons along the bottom, for example phone, to pair your phone, or you can press the buttons down the left and right for certain screens as well. So that's where you pair your phone, as I say. When it comes to music, which is the menu we're on at the moment, we have DAB, FM and AM radio, Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly, and we have USB input. We press the main menu button back here. You'll also see various other options now appearing up here, including the location for your satellite navigation. Nice full color display for the sat nav. There's a full video showing how this system works on our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll see we have a 360 parking camera. So reverse camera, bird's eye view image of exactly where the car is parked right now. And it goes a couple of steps beyond that. If you press the camera button, you get a front-facing camera and the bird's eye view, or a front-facing camera and the front passenger side wheel. This car also has autonomous parking, so it is able to parallel park and bay park itself, just there. There's a video showing that working on our website and YouTube channel as well. Working our way down from there, we've got dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase or decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning on. The same button will turn it off again. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for, or temperatures, by taking control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. Any manual adjustment will take auto off straight away. You can put it back into your own settings. Below that we have a 12-volt charging socket, electronic handbrake, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof for the car. There's a button up here, give that a push. The sun blind will now open all the way to the back of the rear seats, and as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light, even on a kind of grey day like today. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.